I Will Find a Way, written by Barbara M.Linde. It's free time, everyone, Mrs. Lopez called. Choose an activity to work on. Do you want to paint, Mark? Asked Dylan. Sure, I answered. Let's make paintings that go together. I'm going to paint an enchanted forest, Dylan said. Strange animals can live there. I'll paint a big, scaly green dragon that lives in your forest, I said. Dylan opened the jar of green paint. Look at this, Mark, he said. Gross! Oh, no, I said. It's all dried up. I guess we'll have to paint something else, said Dylan. Don't worry, I told Dylan. I think I have a way to make our idea work. I asked Mrs. Lopez for an empty jar. I put some yellow paint in the jar. I slowly poured in some blue paint. I stirred them together. Problem solved, I called out. Then I showed Dylan my fresh jar of green paint. This color green is even better than what we had, Dylan said. Just right for a forest and a dragon. After our paintings were dry, I had an idea. Let's make the dragon pop out of the forest, like in a pop-up book. Yes, said Dylan. But do you know how? We will find a way, I said. I cut out the dragon. Then we made an accordion out of a strip of paper. We taped one end to the dragon and one end to the forest. Boing, boing! The dragon jumped out of the forest. What a clever idea, exclaimed Mrs. Lopez. You have been very resourceful today. I will find a way. Mark has some creative ideas for a project. When he runs into problems, he figures out how to solve them using creative thinking. The end.